In this video, I will tell you a cool technique which will render your scenes lightning fast, and also you can render up to 40x faster.
Nice.
Hope you are excited, so let's get started. Okay, so in this simple scene we have just a wheel, this helmet and this tool cart. So if we just render this at simple default setting at, let's say, 500 samples. Okay, so now this scene has been rendered in 40 seconds. So now let's take a look on how we can decrease the render time. So first let's take a look at this render noise threshold. Okay, so noise threshold is the amount of noise in our scene, so the lesser the number, the lesser the noise will be. But this is just a simple scene, so I will just tweak it a little bit. So I will set that to 0.03 and it won't make any difference. It will just render it quickly. It won't affect in quality. So now if we take a look at this light paths, we don't have any transparent objects. So we can set the transmission and transparent to 0. And also we don't have any caustics in our scene, so let's just turn both of these off. So now if we just render this at these settings, it won't affect the render time until you check this game changer, fast GI approximation. So what is fast GI approximation? Fast GI approximation replaces the original ambient occlusion in the scene and adds some sort of fake ambient occlusion which is relevant to our camera. So now if we render our scene, you will see that our render time will have a massive effect. Okay, so now as you can see, we have just rendered the same scene with almost the same quality in just 20 seconds, which is pretty overwhelming. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Share this to everyone who is just rendering from days. So if you like this video, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more great content, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.